Yamaha has finally taken the covers off its latest racing prototype, the M1V4, a machine that signals a new chapter in the manufacturer's Motogp story. This revolutionary bike will make its first competitive appearance as a wildcard entry at the 2025 San Marino Grand Prix in Misano, ridden by Yamaha test rider Augusto Fernandez. While Fernandez will debut the bike under race conditions, Yamaha's factory riders Fabio Quartararo and Rins will return to the saddle on Monday during the official IRTA test following the Grand Prix. Both riders have already had an early taste of the prototype during a private session at the Circuit de Barcelona, Catalunya. However, during that test, the M1V4 still lagged roughly 1.5 seconds behind Quartararo's qualifying pace from the Catalan GP. The Japanese manufacturer is clear that outright performance is not yet the priority. Instead, this wild card is about collecting data and learning how the new engine behaves in full race conditions. Yamaha stresses that development decisions will not be based solely on the results of this weekend. Takahiro Sumi, general manager of the Motorsports Development Division at Yamaha Motor Company, YMC, underlined the philosophy guiding the project. From the start of the V4 project, there were many questions to answer, and Yamaha is still in the development phase. But one thing is certain, our aim is to bring Yamaha back to winning ways with an evidence-based approach. The V4 prototype reflects an integrated effort, with Japan and Europe sharing responsibility and expertise. That sentiment was echoed by Paolo Pavizio, managing director of Yamaha Motor Racing, who emphasized the cultural and technical transformation taking place inside the company. The racetrack will ultimately decide if we achieve our goals, but I'm already proud of the spirit we are showing. We are working faster, more agile, and more open in using our global resources, both technically and organizationally. On the engineering front, Kazuhiro Masuda, project leader of the Wiser M1, confirmed the program is progressing on schedule. We have completed dyno testing and correlation work on track, and this weekend represents the first real stress test in a Grand Prix environment. On Monday, we will conduct the IRTA test with Fabio and Alex to broaden our dataset. We cannot reveal details of the private testing, but our commitment is absolute. Every phase is approached with maximum precision, and so far progress matches our expectations. If all goes well, the next steps will include further tests in Sepang and Valencia. The debut of the M1V4 is more than just an engine update. It marks a decisive move after years of struggling to match Ducati, KTM, and Aprilia in terms of acceleration and power delivery. By embracing a new philosophy, combining Japanese engineering with European innovation, Yamaha is determined to return to the top of Motogp. The San Marino GP may not deliver instant success, but it represents the beginning of Yamaha's V4 era, a bold project that could shape the factory's future in the premier class. For more information, stay tuned for the latest news, only on Mita Moto. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe so we can build this channel together.